Alright, I'm doing my first computer build. I spent a little bit more than I wanted to because I've been out of it for a couple of years now. So now I'm getting back into it. I sort of went with what I thought was deals right off the bat and didn't do enough research. Now before then I've done a lot of research and gathered my parts. So let's take a look at what I have, and I will have something for sale here before long. I got hit just to examine them because I wanted to see what they look like. I had some a while back and they've upped the ante. So I'll do an unboxing on these and then we'll get to my computer later. Alright, here you have the G2 series Patriots memory, DDR3, 1, 2, 3, 4 sticks at 4 gigabyte a piece, which adds up for 16 gigs. Alright, gigabytes. It's designed for the Intel 6 series platform. Unrivaled performance. You see there it says 1600 megahertz 4x4 kit, PC3. Let's look at it. Alright, they come in 2 separate packs with 2 in each one. I got these fairly cheap, so I didn't really check into them. They was down for under a buck, so I don't got much in them, so it was a good deal. My system necessarily this isn't compatible with it, I'm pretty sure, because these are for, we're going by what Newegg says, these are for X79 only, but you can see see the voltage, the trimming. Alright, so that is your G2 series 16 gigabyte Patriots, specifically designed for the second generation Intel Core i7 processors, the Sandy Bridge, which is for the 79 chipset, right? Alright, we'll move on here in a second.